Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe like a pro. First, let's master the basic controls. Drifting is crucial for maintaining speed and getting mini-turbo boosts. Hold the drift button as you turn, then release for a burst of speed. Also, understand how to use your items effectively. Knowing when to deploy a red shell or a banana can change the race. Practice these fundamentals to build a strong foundation for advanced techniques. Now, let's dive into some advanced techniques that pros use. A perfect starting boost gives you an immediate advantage. Press the accelerator just after the second light. Fire hopping and soft drifting are subtle movements that maintain momentum after a boost. Also, remember to slipstream behind other racers. This gives you a significant speed boost, allowing you to overtake opponents efficiently. These small actions add up to big gains. Optimizing your character and kart combination is key to success. Characters have different weight classes affecting speed, acceleration, and handling. Heavier characters often have higher top speeds, while lighter ones accelerate faster. Pair your character with kart bodies, tires, and gliders that complement your playstyle. For example, a high acceleration setup is great for tracks with many turns. Experiment with various combinations to find what works best for you. Finally, mastering item management and track knowledge will elevate your game. Always hold a defensive item, like a banana or a shell, to block incoming projectiles. Knowing the optimal racing line and hidden shortcuts on each track can shave off crucial seconds. Pay attention to where item boxes are located and anticipate what items your opponents might have. This strategic thinking will help you stay ahead and secure more victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.